about an hour ago, and this is how my day is going. So, yeah, I live in the car right here. Pretty much wherever I can park the car. Alright, I'm gonna get dressed now so I can go to the store. I'll be right out.
All right.
My doors don't lock, and anybody can steal my stuff, so yeah, I'm just shutting the door. That's my friend Penny over there. She thinks I'm messing around with her husband, and I proved to her over and over and over I'm not messing with him, but whatever. She wants to think that she can. So she's trying to prove to me something that's not even real. Michael, you don't even know, you've missed out on so much. Like, okay, you should have seen the other night when she tried to find me in the park, and we and my boyfriend were sitting in the car, chilling, relaxing, about to fall asleep. We had a little candle on and stuff. Here she comes, bang, 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 bang on the door. I'm like, what the fuck are you doing, dude? She's like, come here, I gotta tell you all this, 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 and that. I'm like, dude, tell him something he doesn't know, dude. Like, come on now. Like, okay, who cares about us texting guys on your phone? You know what I mean?
Right.
This right here, I got it.
Okay.
Is that a charger? Okay, so we had to drive a couple miles to get here, but this is where I come every day, pretty much, to take a shower. So I'm just gonna take a shower and then I'll be right out. Oh shit. Yeah, I have to come here every day. There are a few different spots where I take a shower, but this is one of them.